boys and girls from the school, from the NCC cadets. It is indeed an honor for me to represent the Corps of Engineers and to make this presentation here. This is presentation running? Okay. India has contributed in international demining since inception, and I'll cover certain key aspects as flashed on the slide. Widespread impact of landmines, UXOs, and IEDs has been recognized by the international community, which resulted in collective action ranging from military demining and graduating to humanitarian demining. India has been an essential part of this journey and has contributed extensively to make the world a safer place. It is evident that large parts of the world are in crying need of humanitarian mine action. India has been at the forefront of this action with demining operations in Africa and Asia, and 14 demining contingents have recently contributed towards demining, as also in conducting joint exercises and training amongst various nations. India is an important stakeholder with a proven track record of extensive demining. We have developed techniques, drills, and procedures to build and retain capability and take pride in our commitment towards humanitarian values. Indian Army in general and the Corps of Engineers in particular have undertaken combat demining operations on the line of control post the conflicts of 1965 and 61, and even during Op Parakram. During Op Parakram, we laid lakhs of mines across a frontage of thousands of kilometers. This was followed by extensive demining operations, which were successfully completed in 4 years. The fact is that after 4 years, we have cleared these hundreds and thousands of hectares of area 100%. It is 100% clearance, and these areas are now fit for all types of use. We have also undertaken counter-IED and demining operations in various parts of the country. We are all aware of the IED menace that is there on our western, eastern borders, and even at in the central part of India at certain places. India is a major contributor towards United Nations demining operations. I have flashed 3 missions, that is UNIFIL, MONUSCO, and UNMISS. We have developed training and expertise and collaborated with civil organizations spread across the globe. And we spread awareness, risk education, and we also provide victim assistance. You can see the global footprint that we have in terms of joint exercises, training with various countries in the world. In the recent past, we have conducted 3 exercises, that the Force 18, AF Index 19, and AF Index 23. You can see 27 countries, over 350 participants have taken part in this joint exercise. It is also a matter of pride for us that a large number of friendly foreign countries are subscribing to our counter-IED courses that we conduct at the College of Military Engineering. The training methodology that we follow is as shown. A large number of discussions, demonstrations, practices are undertaken. Individual training is followed by collective training, which culminates in a humanitarian mine action exercises in a realistic manner. Some of the pictures, just for for the students who may be interested. You can see various international delegations taking part in collective training in various exercises that we hold. This is a team from Australia. And of course, we also have mechanical means, that is trawls, hydrama, plows, all in action at various places during the exercise. Some of the major lessons that we have learnt are as flashed on the slide. The most important part is to have close synergy with various nations that are operating across the globe and arrive at common solutions and SOPs. On the way ahead, we continue to strive to excel in the field of demining operations and counter-IED operations. The College of Military Engineering at CME is the center of expertise on humanitarian mine action as well as counter-IED operations. In the end, it would not be out of place to mention that even Colonel Navneet Mittal, who is the founder of Horizon, is a product of the Corps of Engineers and a product of the College of Military Engineering, that is CME Pune. I have finished, sir. Thank you.